no woman is me call constituency visitation community no more. Now unfortunately one of my guys on the bus yes I was taken as one of the pranks I tie no Ghana no. So say me who say pictures ne there bano na fede ya who say ne yes no ya no kre. Ti o na di no beba ya di na ba na fede na as a nipa aboto. Ti ko gina say ya kasa krampo no. Ere na no mahemfo bi na na ehia. Amo hwe say di mi na me wo mu na enye. Ti omo akasa ka say ntwa sokra but then ne was say any omo kan etimi kan na. Yeah, but then me about no kre wo mu say di bia me sore a me pese obi nyane me say bia da bi na me so. Obi to say Honorable Dr. Murtala Mohammed Onene Kofi Adams na Sam George amoba me constituency before the elections no adjuma mbeye no o na mo bia fro Honorable Ubrano still I'm just praying say obi nyane me free da na me so no very serious but at the end sanyina no I think that the reality is coming to us em say yes no crescent tin yaso ya ba say busuane onua ya ba be jai nua no kwan esa Nyankopon say on fa mo kran sie yie ebi o mo da bi Nyankopon on fa mo kran sie yie say ne on be se ahia bi mu no na ye ne on mo se ahia mu osoro ahema mu say bom pa say na ne mane ne amoyere nom ne am manso Nyankopon on kro mo na ye da ye president nso ase kwan pa no so afa so a say obehwe say e be creative fund ene ade na ade asopporto abusuan ba ni nyina mo no sebi ento senka mo tiase ti besere otwedi ampo Nyankopon on chechire nyina re especially the closest family no on chiro bia re na sebi ye so ene bi no ma ye parliament Honorable Murtala nso I think say waja big scar e parliament honum ye bompa say Nyankopon ema mo kra on fancy yi yeah
Mokra NCA. Honorable, where they said they will see cancer where a vacuum nipa akuma mu abusua mu ene parliament. Such a say no you tete say asofo ni binom say honhom asem ni ade. Do you believe in that way no?
Well, say nipa idea means say honhom nipa like we are spiritual beings. But then the president make a cabinet amoko kan no the outcome of it despite the spirituality no hodie but yem train the sciences no because amonfa reports embra they who the main cause of what has happened. I think honhom bia yakra honamu neba and the idea ne ehu na se be di hu adanse enye ne because honhom asem we leave that one to our creator ene amaka no sebi say bibi na kotena say ko chinchim bibi ma ne ye sebi obi ancherebo what you say ne menkasa ne aba no yowu asem ti ya de a ha obia na ne mesan hu ye no say me say ya ne kankana fo bom bebre no football but how we ama ya hu say me ado e wo ye nyina intem enye partisan politics no obia de ya utum say ha obia stress sa owowe eman kabom a yehunu Ghana ha no emu enore kese oba hu Christians and Muslims yenyina obi e bompaye. It tells you say Ghana there is unity, there is religious tolerance. Ye bompaye say enton koso sa ye mpe sebi na we Muslim, we Christian, we say no, the kind of sense of unity no Nyankopon emwa enye samaye because Ghana be a beacon of state bia we are seeing what is happening here, and then I think it's a sign of unity bia yehu out of this what has happened. I think one of the thing I bet me edi ahwahwa ho ene ne yehu unfortunately it has happened. But then ama utimu se nkabombi aba ya ka tru no mu ye bompa se Nyankopon enkoso nyesa debi amoso am obi an omommo mpa my Ghana na nyina menka se de be ko sta ko hyiam biem no na ye hyiam ewo osoro ahema mu kama
Honorable ene ye da se bebre contact please
0243